Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Sit down, please. Let's start our lesson. Let's recap our previous knowledges. I want to ask some questions about our previous topic. Question number 1. How to protect your computer from viruses? Give me answer.
Install antivirus software, not open file attachments to a mail unless you know they are.
You are right.
Second, not anywhere to attach portable of their computer or my memory stickers, and they are for driver's seconds.
Driver seconds. Okay, well done. Next, Aslan.
Not download games and software site on the internet unless it is a trusted site.
Oh, well done. You're right. Next.
Antivirus software should be kept up to date, and scans should be scheduled so that they are performed automatically on a regular basis.
Okay, well done. You're right, students. Next question. What includes physical security? Do you know it all? Mohammed.
Which includes two offices and 22 rooms.
Well done. You're right. Next.
Not leaving your computer logged in when you away from your desk.
From your desk. Next. Now it's Nabil.
Ensure that there are shoulder looking at your screen, enter your password.
Enter your password. Well done. Thank you for your answers. Today's topic, audience. When developing ICT solutions, you must have a clear understanding of who your audience and is for the solution. This is important as it will influence your choice in the design reading age of text. When developing an ICT solutions, you will need to also be aware of legal, moral, and ethical and the cultural needs of your audience. You need to be aware of this so that you do not offer any of your independent audience. You also need to consider the legal, moral, ethical, and the cultural applications that might apply to your proposed solution. Firstly, I want to show about a video about audience. Let's watch the video. Pay attention for the video.
Moral, ethical, and cultural appreciation. Copyright laws protect software in very much the same way as music, CDs, video, etc. Software piracy is a continuous issue for software developers, and measures have been put in place to make it more difficult to use illegal copies of software. It is illegal to make a software copy to sell or give away, rent out software, use a software on a network on multiple computers, use name or branding of copyrighted software on another software without permission, using code from copyright software without permission and then passing the software on as your own to sell. Measures from software developers to prevent the use of illegal software. Use of a product key when installing software. Online activation to ensure legitimate product key has been used. Software CD/DVD must be in the drive whilst software is being used. Making users agree to terms and conditions before installation of software. Legal, moral, ethical, and cultural appreciation. When creating an ICT solution, consideration also has to be taken regarding legal, morality, ethics, and cultural issues. Legal, ensure copyright laws are abided by, including not using any coding or branding from existing copyrighted software. morality, to distinguish from right or wrong. Sometimes it may not be legal to carry out an act, however it could be against your morals. For example, setting up a fake website to deceive is not illegal, but questions your level of morality. Ethics is to break a code of conduct. One example could be to leak information to a rival software publisher or to the press about new software ideas. Culture. When software is released in different cultures, then care must be taken so that people are not offended. For example, certain use of words could be offense to one culture and not to another. If certain computer games mock religion or cultural beliefs, then again this could cause offense.
Let's play the game. Tree of Wisdom. You need to read the text carefully, today's topic, and you need to create questions. You have piece of paper. You need to create the questions which related to the text. First, you need to read the text and you have 5 minutes to read the text. Your answers for these questions. You have 2 minutes to do this task. Students, if you are ready, we can put your questions in the basket. Thank you. Thank you.
Question and copyright way will make it illegal to copy software in certain situations.
Next question. Who want to read the question?
Describe two terms a copyright.
Are you ready for questions?
Yes.
Firstly, you need to read your question, then answer.
Okay.
Are you ready? Dano?
My question is, a website is being designed for children aged 4 to 6 years old to help them read. Explain, using this example, why the audience needs should be taken into account in the design of this website. My answers, first, the audience is young, so plenty of color is needed to attract young children. Second, use of animation and cartoon characters will help keep them engaged. Third, a child will learn better if a game can be created which helps them learn.
Well done. Yes. Next, who wants to answer? Amina?
Software, my question, software produce a method to prevent software copyright being broken. Describe two methods used to help software producers prevent their software from being copied illegally. My answers. One mark is for brief descriptions of methods, inscriptions of the execution code. The execution code enables the software to run. There is code is inscripted and a key is needed to unlock the code to enable the software to be used.
Well done. You are right. Next. Asılcan.
My question is, describe two terms a copyright layout have in it. My answer is, what exactly illegal copying is the penalty for illegal copying.
Well done. Yes.
My question is, describe why copyright laws needed. My answer is, it protects software authors who have invested time and money into developing the software from having their work illegally copied, thus depriving them of income.
Well done. groups, you need to create a presentation about your audience for children and for adults. Okay, you have 5 minutes to create the presentation. Okay. Let's start.
Okay. And then listen.
Listen more to understand. Are you ready?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Let's show for us your presentations.
We have to create a presentation about a website aimed to young children. Use fun animation such as cartoon characters and lots of images. Very easy navigation.
Yes.
No long words or sentences. Lots of bright colors. It is interesting and convenient for children. They can learn by playing games.
Thank you.
We created website presentation aimed at adults. More complex page design, more subtle colors used, longer sentences or long words, more complex navigation, image more appropriate for adults.
Yes, well done. I want to summarize our lesson with game Kahoot, where we should choose statement true or false. Okay? First, you need to open website Kahoot it. Okay? And enter this code. This code. Do you see? Yes. Do you see? Enter this code to your computer. Asılcan, Diaz, Canor, Aknor, Anel. If you are ready, let's start our game. You need to choose true or false. Statement number 1. The illegal copying of computer software is an example of software piracy. True or false? Oh. Next, hold on. Copy software is always illegal. True or false? Hold on. Software piracy is acceptable as a helps us obtain software cheaper or for free. Gamers are software license usually allow you to run a certain number of computers with system. Same software. Copy the prices small software producers of money. True or false? Hold on. Our winners knows money. Our leader. Yes. To summarize our lesson, I I want to say that Aknor, Asılcan, Canlar, yes, you got 10 points. Alina and Anel, you got 8 points. And Navzgali Muhammad, you got 7 points today's lesson. Thank you. Your homework, answer the questions on page 197. Goodbye. Well done.
Goodbye, teacher.